Let's discuss about today's topic. Wait, did I make a mistake? Yes, I made a mistake. But where? Even though it sounds natural and correct. To check where is the problem, let's dive in today's video. Today I'll show you 8 super common mistakes and how to fix them so you can speak English like a pro instantly. Let's discuss about it. The problem is discuss already means talk about. So about is extra and is totally wrong here. Correct is let's discuss it. Example, let's discuss today's topic. Let's discuss next chapter. Quick trick. If the verb is discuss, drop about. Mistakes like these are tiny and common that can make a huge difference in your conversation. Let's move to the next common mistake. Let's make a party. The problem is make. Make is for objects, not events. So a tip for you, events use have, not make. Correct is let's have a party. A quick trick to remember. Think, have fun, have a meeting. The same rule applies here. Let's have a party. Let's have fun. Let's have a meeting. The next one is according to me. According to me. In this phrase, the problem is according to is for experts or sources, not yourself. When sharing your opinion, use personal phrases like in my opinion or I think so. In my opinion, the blue dress is more comfortable. I think last night was so fun. According to the teacher is correct. According to me is totally wrong. One of the best place. Now what's wrong here? Place should be plural after one of the. One of the best places. A tip for you. Always check if you need s after one of the. Correct form is one of the best places. I am agree. Now what is the problem here? The problem is agree is a verb and you don't need am. Correct phrase is I agree. If it's an action like agree, like, love, drop am is are. Just say I like, I love, I agree. He can sings very well. Now what's wrong with this sentence? It sounds supernatural. But here is the problem. Problem is after modal verbs like can, will, should, use base verb. Correct form is he can sing very well. So whenever you are using a modal verb, use base form of the verb. You should never use can with verb plus s. Let's move to the next sentence. She very beautiful. Now I'm giving you few seconds. Find the problem in this sentence. Yes, missing linking verb is. She is very beautiful. Adjectives need a verb. She is very beautiful. He is very good. I have 25 years. The problem is English uses am for age, not have. I have 25 years. This is totally wrong and incorrect. The correct form is I am 25 years old. Now I'm giving you a piece of information. I have works in Spanish or French, but not in English. Use these correct phrases today and watch your English skyrocket. Comment below which mistake you always make. I'll check and give you a pro tip. Don't forget to save this video for your next English practice. Comment the topic you want me to cover in my next video. For now, practice all these 8 common mistakes